still have to distress this too, but I love this. I'm alive in a new look. Very sweet, and I usually bring biscuit down here to do my sign off. Well, tonight I'm going to bring bacon, right? Hi YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of a power tool, but not any power tool. It's this mini cordless chainsaw. We're gonna give this a spin, literally. And I'm excited because I got a lot of spring projects on tap here where I live in New Hampshire. I just bought this house 3 years ago and I'm looking to downsize my deck. And then I'm also looking to, cut down shrubs, trees, things like that. So I'm looking to see what this can do. So we're gonna go give it a spin right now on my back deck. Sounds like it's got some good power to it. It's a 20-volt battery. What I like so far when I have it in my hand, it's not top heavy, it's not bottom heavy, it's very balanced, it's well balanced, and you want that with a power tool like this, but this looks like a lot of fun, so let's get started. I noticed that after working the mini chainsaw for about 40 minutes, the chain was getting just a tad bit loose. This chainsaw set does come with a tightening tool there. You'll see me working it. Really simple to do that. Just remember, for safety reasons, remove the battery before you tighten the chain. Yeah, go ahead. I found this mini chainsaw to be super handy out by my fire pit. After I cut some of those trees and shrubs down, I was able to cut them into smaller sizes and start to burn them. So for a homeowner, or if you have a cabin or a cottage, this would be such a handy tool to have for simple tasks like that. Let's see if this mini chainsaw can handle cutting up my old deck boards. These are pretty long, slightly thick, so I'm not sure if it's going to be able to handle cutting. So let's see. Well, that was surprisingly easier than I thought. In this next demonstration, I'm going to show you how the 4-inch mini chainsaw cuts through smaller pieces of branches up to, I believe this larger piece on the right is 4 to 4.5 inches in diameter. So let's see what this can do. This piece right here is 2.5 inches in diameter. Okay, now for the big test. Let's see how well this chainsaw can cut through. I believe this is 4.5 inches. Okay, this is pretty rad. I can totally see myself making wooden coasters. This next clip is pretty self-explanatory. I was able to cut down 15 of these dead trees in 7 minutes total. I actually sped up this clip just to make this video shorter to 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video on my review of this 4-inch mini chainsaw. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed with this little gizmo. She's got a lot of power for being so little. As you can see in some of those video clips, I was able to cut through, I would think maximum, I was pushing it at like 4-inch to 5-inch diameter on the wood pieces. I choked it up a couple times on one piece in the woods, and then another time when I was cutting the deck, but this thing has a lot of power for being so little. And I believe this goes for around $40 on Amazon. Comes with a cute little bag, extra chains, I think 2 extra chains, some oil, the tool to tighten the chain, and then the 20-volt lithium battery here. And it also has the charging station. I mean, that's not too bad for 40-some bucks to have a handy tool like this that you can just grab if you need to cut down some shrubbery in your backyard, if you need to clear a path, if you need to get some small shrubs down like I did in the video. This thing is the perfect little tool to have. Also, for those that are starting out, that are a little hesitant about using a power chainsaw, which I know I am, a gas-powered one, this is lightweight, easy to use, and you can feel really confident operating this. So all in all, I'm so impressed. So I'm going to give my stamp of approval for this tool, and I say go get yourself one. I'll put a link below my video description if you're interested. I mean, 'tis the season here in New Hampshire. It's gorgeous today. It is like mid 80s. It's unseasonably warm today, and it was yesterday. Tomorrow we drop down into the 50s. So I'm out here tank top in the backyard, cutting in the woods, clearing some things and using this tool, and it came just so handy today. So I can't talk good enough things about this tool. And I'm here on my channel, I'm not gonna blow smoke. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I don't get any kickbacks from anything. So when I'm gonna do a review, I'm gonna tell you what I do and what I don't like about it. So this thing, I got all good things to say about it. So get yourself a little mini chainsaw.